Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload CapCut videos on TikTok. So first of all, open CapCut application. Now over here you can either create a new project or select any of the project from your past folders. So I'm going to select my existing project. Now, if you wish to, you can make certain changes on your video or else tap on the export button at the top right corner of your screen. Now, let's wait for some time. Now, over here, simply tap on the option of Share to TikTok. Now, tap on Open. Now, you can see that your video has been exported here. You can make certain changes to your video or else tap on the option of Next. Now, you can directly post your CapCut video to your TikTok account. So that's how simply you can upload CapCut videos to TikTok. And this is it for today. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.